Are you trying to find the best commuter bike? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best commuter bike. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. This urban bicycle from 630 is the one for the guys who require not only one of the best men's bicycle, but also one of the most fashionable. Its lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to handle and adds to its fantastic appearance. A long commute is no problem for this hybrid bike because it has 7 speeds in the external Shimano derailleur. It is 85% built when it is delivered and can accommodate riders up to 6 feet 2 inches tall. On this chic urban bike, the wheels have 2 walls for the smoothest riding possible. Here's the perfect bike to cruise around town or find your own seaside paradise. Featuring a comfortable padded seat, this cruiser bike gets you where you want to go in style. Available in 3 trendy colors, your 630 around the block will be the envy of every bike rider. Number 2. This hybrid bike might be the one to convince you to try a fat tire bike if you haven't yet. Because to the broad tires, you can easily navigate any terrain on your ride to work. Additionally, having fat tires gives you a distinctive appearance that will help you stand out from all the other urban bicycle models on the market. There are numerous advantages that may persuade potential buyers to purchase this bike even though the tire width may not be suitable for everyone. First off, the Malice sports a Shimano rear derailleur and 7 speeds. It is also an exceedingly practical design which may surprise some as it incorporates disc brakes in both the front and the rear. Although the steel frame makes it heavier, it does make it easier for riders to get up over sidewalk edges and embankment than many other of the best urban bikes on the market. Number 3. This Volano hybrid bike has a high level of performance. It is fantastic as both an urban bike and a hybrid bicycle that can be used on various terrains over the weekend because it has a whopping 24 speeds that are accessible to any rider. No matter what you use it for, it includes disc brakes that react quickly to user pressure. With a forked design, the frame is made of hydroformed metal. Shimano gears are used, and 700C wheels are used to complete this urban bike. This is a wonderful commuting bike for everyone because the handlebars allow for a comfortable upright position. The Volano Diverse is the perfect option for a versatile hybrid bike. This bike boasts an incredible 20 frame and low standover height that make this model easy to position on a variety of terrain. The Volano Diverse also boasts a Shimano 105 drivetrain, aluminum alloy wheels and disc brakes, a fully roofed rack, and wide 32-spoke alloy wheels for smooth rolling performance on rougher roads and paths. Number 4. With the creation of this hybrid bicycle, the well-known brand Schwinn has maintained its position as the industry leader in commuter cycles. This is a shining example of the greatest commuter bike currently on the market. This specific urban bike model has a timeless appearance that ensures it will never go out of style, and the corresponding fenders add to its sleek appearance. The fenders also ensure that your clothing will be shielded from any puddles during your morning ride, allowing you to arrive at work looking impeccable, as all the best city bikes should. Shimano's twist shifter and rear derailleur allow for 21 different gear selections. This makes using this practical commuter bike simple and manageable, preventing you from arriving at work frazzled or underprepared. Nevertheless, because it has more gears than the typical urban bike, it can be used for longer excursions and is ideal for harder rides. This commuter bike is the perfect option for anyone looking for a hybrid bike that works well for city commuting. Number 5. The best commuter bike on the market right now is closely followed by this one. In terms of easy riding urban bicycles for commuting to work, 6KU is one of our favorite manufacturers. This is a fixed-gear, single-speed city bike. It may not be for everyone, but it is frequently selected by people who just need an urban bike for commuting on the road. Due to the aluminum frame's ability to maintain strength, it has a lightweight construction. Because of its weight, users can simply transport the bike wherever they need it, whether it be upstairs, off a crowded train, or into a bike rack. Therefore, the commuter was undoubtedly considered when 6KU developed this. Don't do anything too flamboyant because the manufacturer takes delight in creating bikes with the consumer in mind. They consistently produce some of the greatest city bikes available because they just get the fundamentals right. Overall, this is a fairly reasonable bike that won't let down people who are searching for a city bike to aid them with their regular commute to and from work. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.